Well, Dave was telling me the other day about these fish cakes that his mum used to make. So I said, oh, I'd love to try those. Can you make some?
Oh, hello. Yes, so I was telling Dawn that we used to have these lovely fish cakes that my mum used to make. She used to have them leftover mashed potato and she would mix it with Pilchards and they were delicious. So we're going to give them a try. So, what we've got some mashed potato. Now, you can make it fresh, but it's better if it's been left in the fridge for a while. So this is some we made yesterday. We made a bit extra just so we could use it today. Now, when my mum used to make these, they used to use Pilchards, and you can get Pilchards for about 50p a tin, but we're going to use tuna because that's what we had in the cupboard. So I've mashed up a bit of tuna out of the tin, and all you do is just add it in. And you give it a good mix. Need to make sure that the tuna and the potato are all mixed together.
That's good.
So once you've given them a good mix, all you do is you form them into balls. Now this amount would do about 5-6 balls, so you just mix them into balls, and it's good fun because you get your hands nice and dirty doing this. Now you could add spices or you could have some herbs if you want, but back in the day it was just potato and Pilchards. So once you've got your balls prepared, all you need to do is make them into your fish cake shape. So I just squash them down and then just squeeze them a little bit at the sides. So give them a squash and a little pinch. Now my mum used to make them as balls, but I found the trouble with the balls is that it's hard to get the potato in the middle cooked, whereas the fish cake shape gives it a better cook. There we go. Right, so having created the cakes, what I do now is I've beaten an egg, and what we do is we take the cakes and we coat them in the egg mixture. So give them a good coating in the egg mixture, and then once it's coated in the egg mixture, got some breadcrumbs. Now I would normally make my own breadcrumbs, but I didn't have time today, so we've used pre-prepared breadcrumbs that work just as well. So give them a nice coating, and then you have your fish cake. So you should end up with some lovely looking fish cakes. So these you can either fry them in a pan if you want them super crispy, or if like us, if you've got the oven on, then you can just cook them in the oven. And serve them ready for the oven.
So how long do you cook them for?
Well, about 20 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown.
Oh, I'm looking forward to trying them later. Let's go and see if they're ready.
Well, let's have a look then. Oh, they look lovely. Look at them.
Oh, they do. They look really nice.
Here you go, Dawn.
Thank you. They're lovely and nice and crispy as well.
Oh, lovely. Just like my mum used to make.
Well, I really enjoyed those. I think we'll have them again. Thank you for watching. Bye.